This is your local news brief for Friday, June 12, 2020. The city of Pasadena reports 1,023 confirmed coronavirus cases, an 80 case increase from last week. With only one additional virus-related death since last week, the death toll is now at 84. The Pasadena Convention Center's auxiliary hospital will be closed at the end of the month. The temporary transition was made in April, in case the Huntington Memorial Hospital reached capacity treating COVID-19 patients. Parking enforcement has begun issuing warnings to vehicles in violation. Actual citations will begin on June 16th. The Pasadena City Council approved a $1 million program to help up to 220 low-income households repay rent accumulated through the eviction moratorium. The program, funded by the CARES Act, will cap each household at $4,500. Residents have voiced concern over how the capped amount would not be enough for average rent prices. Others have pushed for rent forgiveness over rent repayment. During Monday night's City Council meeting, Mayor Terry Tornick reiterated that the council does not have the authority to impose rent forgiveness. Pasadena City Housing Director Bill Huang acknowledged that the cap amount wasn't enough to cover everything and said, "We're hoping it will go a significant way." Average rent for a two-bedroom residence in Pasadena is currently about $2,500 a month. Representatives Mary Gay Scanlon and Adam Schiff have presented a resolution to protect journalists and keep the centrality of press freedom. According to an official statement on Scanlon's House of Representatives webpage, the resolution backs Congress's support for the First Amendment right that allows journalists to report without fear of physical harm or arrest. Schiff is quoted in the statement as saying, "Journalists are being assaulted, tear-gassed, detained, and arrested on American soil, and black reporters are even more at risk." Recent protests, sparked by the murder of George Floyd, have led to the harassment, injury, or arrest of journalists even after showing their press credentials. Golden Cross Healthcare on North Fair Oaks Avenue was evacuated Thursday night by order of the state attorney general. Multiple news outlets report that the decision is based on lack of patient care as well as the facility's response to COVID-19. According to a Pasadena Star News article, an email from the city manager to the city council Thursday states that the California Department of Public Health has served Golden Cross attorneys with a temporary suspension order and accusation to revoke their license to operate.